channel, it's Rachel. For today's video, I will be showing you my skincare product that I bought online. I've read a lot of reviews about this product, and so I decided maybe I could get one myself. And I haven't done any skincare routine for I don't know how many months, and because I've been, lazy, so and I've been busy and also lazy to do it. I found this product on Facebook and I was so interested to try it because it's very affordable, and I haven't been doing my skincare or pampering my skin. I've been using this new skincare KNU from Michael Todd, and I've been using this for quite a while. I really love this product, guys. Maybe, someday I will purchase this again, and I really love it. It smells so good and it feels good on my face. I don't know if you have this kind of product. You watching this video, maybe you have this. You can just leave a comment down below on what you think about this product right here. I've been using this for like more than a month or two. I couldn't remember, but I want to try different products. I know there's a lot of different skincare products out there, and I just don't know which one. And this new one that I bought, it's affordable, and of course I found a coupon, so I saved a little money. I don't know how to pronounce it. PENDRELL? Yeah, I was so curious. I can't wait to try this product because it's a bundle, and I bought this with my own money. Because, if you want like your skin to look fresh and moisturized, look glowy and radiant like that. So of course, our age, we're not gonna get any younger, so we should take good care of our skin, and not only skin but our body also, everything. I'm so excited to try this. Let's open this box. The shipping, it didn't take very long, and I got it right away. I'm doing this video so I could use it right away. Here it is. It says PENDRELL, hydrate your skin and reveal your natural radiance. What's in the box? They have this booklet, not booklet, but this card. It says PENDRELL, and they tell you everything on the back, the one inside in this box like that. And the next one is this thing right here. So it says get your next ritual bundle for only $39.99. So that's pretty affordable. And yeah, see, I found a coupon, so I saved $10, and it's a free shipping. I believe it was free shipping. I couldn't remember. Maybe not, or maybe free shipping. I don't know. You can just check their website. And look how beautiful that is. Oh, see that? But it's okay. It's just a paper. Yeah, I couldn't wait, guys. The problem with me is I can do it in the morning, because especially like when you wake up, then you have to do your morning skincare routine, and then in the evening I easily get tired and lazy, forget everything. I think they have 5 pieces right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. I don't have my glasses, of course. The first one, it says step 1 is hydrate serum. Here's the step that you will just have to follow. This one is the Agua Glow, so I have to find the hydrate serum. Where is it? Here it is. It says hydrate serum, and let's open. It's sealed. It's hot in here. It's hot in this room. And this one is 30 ml. I really like the packaging, and it's light blue or agua color, or it's blue. So it's a serum, guys, and see. And this one is the dropper. there's no smell to it. A little bit of drop. It's kind of the consistency, it's a gel consistency. Okay, there it is. I can't wait to use it. So that's the first step, is a hydrate serum. And the next one is the hydrate cream. Okay, here it is. Okay, that's a white cream. Next one is hydrate cream. That's for your daily ritual. So that's for the daytime. And then the nighttime is the step one, is the retinol serum, which is this. This is the retinol serum. It looks like the same. This one is a little bit lighter than this. It looks like the same one. So this is the daytime and this is the nighttime. The consistency is, it's like a gel. The step 2 is the hydrate mask. This is pretty cool, that one. And there's also like a scoop, or you know, like a spoon there. So you just have to scoop it. The last is the vanilla lip balm. Of course, you have to hydrate your lips too. And that would be good, like if you put it, you know, before going to bed. So your lips, when you wake up in the morning, and it's gonna be hydrated. They don't have a toner. I wish they do, because I like toner too. Ooh, this is the vanilla lip balm. A lip balm, okay. Sometimes I pronounce it, you know, different. It's vanilla. Yeah, I like it. I like the smell. It's vanilla. Okay, the lip balm. So that's it, guys. And I hope you like this video. And you can share what's your skincare routine, or the products that you use for, you know, your face. And you can just leave comments down below. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. And before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. And of course, yes, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.